Okay, so today the only thing that we're doing that is different from what we were doing the other day is that now it says to solve the equation. So you have to factor and then solve. So 44.
Is that a math meme? Well, I just noticed that.
Is that a math meme?
Oh, sorry, keep going.
A cubed minus 11a squared minus 9a plus 99 is equal to 0.
99.
Okay, so we're going to factor first. So we're going to do so by grouping. So what can I take out of this one?
A squared.
A squared, what does that leave you with?
Leaves you with A minus 11.
Okay, and then over here,
9.
Good job, Avery. How did you figure that
I need something else because I need it to look like this one.
Negative 9.
Negative 9.
So it's just A minus 11.
Yep. So then a squared minus 9 times a minus 11 equals 0. But is that factored completely?
No.
No.
Okay.
You can take an A out of it.
No.
Oh,
What is this?
An A. Two.
We need James' difference
Oh,
of
difference
Difference of squares.
Wow.
So what does that factor into?
But for James, I can see it.
wait, never mind. I'm not James.
What does this factor into?
A minus 3 is
Why
and
not minus?
A plus 3.
Yeah, I looked over and y'all were swinging hands.
Yeah.
Alright, so then we set these each piece equal to 0. So a minus 3. Come on. A minus 3 equals 0. A plus 3 equals 0. A minus 11 equals 0.
That's a lot of 0.
What?
That's a lot of 0.
Yeah. So we add the 3 over. So a is equal to 3. We subtract the 3. A is equal to negative 3. Add the 11. A is equal to 11. Okay, so all three of those are the answers.
How is this all?
Okay, so the only difference from what we did last time to what we're doing right now is that they set them equal to 0 and solve.
Okay.
That looks like what we did.
Yeah, it looks like pretty much like the same as what we've been doing.
All right, 46.
Okay.
5n cubed minus 30n squared plus 40n is equal to 0. So this one doesn't have 4 terms, but what do all of these terms that I do have in common?
They all have 5.
In.
Five
A
in.
5.
5
5
in.
in. 5 in.
5n. So what does that leave me with?
N
But I'm taller, so
That's
my voice
gonna
is-
be-
squared minus.
Actually, it's
Joey wants to do this.
Here you go, Joey.
6.
Maggie.
Alright.
Yeah.
Plus
6N.
Yeah,
7.
nobody-
7N.
7 times, yes, thank you.
8N.
It's 8.
8.
7 times 5 is
Hey,
35.
how did you pass 2nd grade math?
I don't know. I kind of
I
just.
don't know how I did. Bro,
Alright.
I remember division was hard.
I remember when
Now, I need to factor this. How do I factor this?
Wait, Sam.
Yeah.
Sam.
How do I factor this?
Uh,
People, listen. How do I factor this?
It's a perfect square trinomial.
It is not. 8 is not a perfect square.
Do you take 3 out of it?
Do you take 2 out of it?
Take a 1.
I can't take anything out. Those terms have nothing in common.
Oh, combine
Come on, what?
combine 6
What?
in.
Those are completely different terms.
Actually, make a new.
The very first type of factoring we did was what? What method?
Foil.
That's not factoring.
The one.
Make
The
it
one where
Well, I think you're throwing me off.
the factor tree. That's
Isn't
literally
that
foil.
Isn't that foil?
Arch method.
Oh.
So I need factors of 8 that give me negative 6.
4 and 2. 4 negative 4 negative 4 and 2.
Negative 4, negative 2.
Negative 2.
Sure.
I think Joey does.
So 5n times n minus 4 times n minus 2 equals 0. Now we take and set each piece equal to 0. So 5n equals 0. n minus 4 equals 0. N minus 2 equals 0.
That's a lot.
So
So
it's gonna be n equals 5. Okay.
0 divided by 5 is 5.
It's actually gonna be n equals 0. Then n equals 4. N equals 4. Or, sorry, 2.
Where are you getting?
2, sorry.
He really messed up.
Can you wait? Like, will those circles? Do you know, like?
Yes, they will.
circle-wise? But like, will they overlap still?
Oh, well, probably.
Joey, you're the one who's very amazed by this. Okay, every single time she does anything on that board.
All right, 48. 2t to the 5th. Here, I'm going to change these to x's, so it's not confusing. Plus 2x to the 4th minus 144t, or sorry, x cubed equals 0.
Because you literally just said
All right, what can I do?
it. You can take.
Take 2 out.
You grouped the two groups.
You
Wait, no,
can-
never mind.
You
What?
can take
Never
2x cubed out.
And that leaves me with
2x squared.
Good
no,
job.
no. X squared
Just squared.
plus x.
Good job.
Thank you. I think
X.
first one said it was.
Oh, yeah,
12.
that's
Nope.
72.
72.
Yeah, 72. And there we go.
I'm
I'm
saying
smart.
all right. Now what is this?
That is. Looks,
72.
I believe that is. Do we do?
Is that a trinomial?
Is 72
No.
a perfect square?
Arch method.
No, it's not.
Arch method.
Look at me.
Factors of negative 72 that add up to give me positive 1.
I'm glad I said.
I think it's going to 72. Isn't 8 going to 72?
8 does go into 72.
Oh, it's 8.
Wait,
It's negatives. Negatives. Wait.
You
Yeah, 14.
left-handed?
That's Spider-Man.
No. It's the method to multiply
So
things.
weird.
Oh.
You're so weird.
Is that Spider-Man? Oops.
It's 9.
I,
When you do things in multiples of 9, you put down whatever finger you're multiplying the 9 by, and that gives you the answer.
that's so cool.
What?
I've
Wait,
never
wait.
done that before.
What did you do? What?
How do you do it?
Okay, so if you're doing, so in this case it was 8 times 9 is 72, right? Okay, so it's a factor of 9, so I put down the 8th finger because 9 times 8, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, put down the 8th one, the answer is 72.
Oh, that's cool.
But it only works for 9s.
Does that do for every single 9?
9 times
Well, up to
1,000.
10, I mean,
Do 9 times
you only have 10 fingers, so it can only work up to 10.
Joey.
There's some people that have 6 fingers, so they can do like up to 12.
Like this?
Well-
Look like you're throwing up gang signs now.
Well, yes, but I mean, to you, but...
Yo, Preston.
I was about to put down these two.
Okay, so fun fact for you, there you go. All right, so then we have 2x cubed times, they both, wait, 9 is positive, 8 is negative,
Was that an oopsie?
x minus 8, no, I just was gonna write them. X minus 8, x plus 9 equals 0. Set everything equal to 0. 2x cubed is equal to 0. X minus 8 is equal to 0. X plus 9 is equal to 0. So, x equals 0. X equals 8. X equals negative 9.
Monkey in a cage.
Alright, one more. 50. C to the 4th minus. That must mean you're ready for a quiz then.
He just said he has a firm
No, I
grasp on
said,
this.
I asked if you did.
No, you said I have a firm
I heard
grasp.
I have.
No, I said
Chris
you
said
did.
I have a firm grasp.
So that must mean you're ready for a quiz today.
I am ready for a quiz.
I'm not.
Why would you say that to her?
I'm just saying I am.
She will give you one.
If she were to do a pop quiz.
Why are you giving her ideas?
I'm not gonna.
How would James feel?
Yeah.
You know what?
Yeah, you're
right.
not James.
Yeah.
James will not feel ready.
Hmm.
Well, too bad James isn't here.
It's so bad James is
Are you saying your name?
James, in case you're wondering, Chris is in your seat.
Wow.
I took Joey's seat when he
I'll
was
call
James isn't gonna. He's not gonna watch this video,
And I
so
didn't say to do.
like make James watch this video and then go in the comment section and make like a tab mark for when she said James, Chris is in your seat.
I really wish.
All right.
Just turn in a picture.
What do I do with this one?
I think
C squared.
since Chris has
No,
a
I'm
firm
actually-
grasp on this.
No, I don't like public speaking. So.
Well, you're talking a lot to not like to public speak.
Ooh. She
C-
got you there. Roasted.
I really don't like talk.
Roasted
Well, why
like
are
a
you
math
talking?
teacher.
I don't know.
This is not public. This is
I was comfortable until I was put on this.
5 people.
Okay. C2, well, C squared, and then minus 100.
Now what?
Arch method?
No, you can't do that.
Oh, we can't arch method. Told you, Chris. That's gonna be.
And James is at this point. James would say,
Difference of squares.
which is
This is
Say, Jody.
difference of school.
No, not that
50.
part. What?
50 squared is 100.
Oh,
Modest.
2.
Joey's being modest.
2 squared is
C minus
100.
10
No,
and C plus 10.
Ah!
I was so right. But just
You're
because-
good.
I don't know what just happened.
Wait, say it again?
So look, see, look at that. See what I did there?
Look, Chris made that appear.
See, I did it again.
All right, set each piece equal to 0. C squared equals 0. C minus 10 equals 0. C plus 10 equals 0. So C equals 0. C equals 10. C equals negative 10. Do we have a firm grasp on this concept?
For sure.
Just for a second.
All right, so then in addition to what you've already done, I want you to do 43, 45, 47, and 49.
Did we turn this in on a different tab?
Yeah. I will create a new tab.
I get my mouse.